I'm going to tell you of free Microsoft tools. Using that, you can automate repetitive tasks in Excel. So before we start, my friend, it's very important to take a look on Power Automate page, so you will have better idea that how you can automate anything using Power Automates. So let me share my screen, and here you can see I'm on the page Microsoft 365 cloud.microsoft.com, and you can click on launch menu, and there you will find a Power Automate. Click on this link, it will take you on a page, and that is Power Automate page. So here, my friend, you can see we have templates. Go there and search for Excel, and there you can see all those templates which are available for Excel sheet automation. And there, my friend, you can see click, and here you can see all those type of automations you can create from here. The first one is automated cloud flow, that is based on triggers. It means that whatever actions you are doing in your organization or outside organization, and based on that, if you want to automate something, you can automate using automated cloud flow. For example, you are doing something in Outlook, and based on that you are just writing an email or you are receiving an email, and based on that you want some kind of automations, you can create using automated cloud flow. Either you are doing something in Excel and you want that based on that some flow or some kind of process should run in your organization, that is what you can do using automated cloud flow. The second one is instant cloud flow. It is based on click. Like you want that you click on a particular link, you click on a particular button, you click on a particular drop down, and based on that you want to run automation, you can do using instant cloud flow. Schedule cloud flow. If you want that a flow which you created should run on a particular day on a particular time, that is totally time bound. It means that on a day, on a time, you want to run that flow, that is what you can create using scheduled cloud flow. So let's automate, and for that I will click instant cloud flow, and here you can see we have manual trigger a flow. That is what I will select and create, and then you will on canvas you can see a manual trigger. After that you can see a plus button, and that plus button, that is what you can use to add new actions. So we'll click on this. Once you will click, you can see here we have Excel Online, that is what you can select, and you will get all those actions. That is what you can use to automate Excel. The first automation we are going to create, that is create worksheet. To create a sheet, my friend, it's very important that you should have an Excel sheet, and that is what I have in OneDrive. You can see here, and that is the student file. That path is Power Automate demo. So let me select this action, and once you will select, these are the common inputs. That is what you have to provide every time. These are the parameters you have to provide every time when you are automating Excel sheet. So let me select the first one, and here you can see the first input is OneDrive. So if you have file stored in OneDrive, you can select the OneDrive. Either if you have the file stored in a group, then you will select that particular group. If you have stored file in SharePoint, you will select the SharePoint and then document. In my case, my friend, I already selected OneDrive, so I will select the OneDrive, and then here we will select the OneDrive and then the file path. So I will go to that particular folder, and the folder is Power Automate and then Excel demo, and I will select the student file. Here we can give the sheet name, so I will give demo sheet, and then I will save it. So then we will test it. So let me go manual, test, and run the flow, and done. So you can see this is successful. Let's go back to the sheet and see we have demo sheet here. So now we will try to add a table in that created sheet, and for that, my friend, we'll go in edit mode, and we don't need to create a sheet again, so that's why we'll delete it, and then we'll again go to the, we'll click on plus button, go to the Excel Online automation, and we'll select create table. Once you will select the all those parameters you need to give again, I will select the OneDrive, then I will select OneDrive folder here, and then we'll select the file. So I will go to the path we have, that is Power Automate, and then the Excel demo, and then the sheet. So I will select that, and we can give the table range. But my friend, we have multiple sheets, and that's why we have to give the sheet name first, demo sheet, give the range, that is A colon and D colon. So now we have the range here, and after that you can also add the table name, that is table 1, and the columns we can use like ID, then name, then age, then class. And let me save it and run this flow. So I will go back to here, and then we'll click on test manual and run this flow. So done, and this is successful. So let's go back to the sheet and see that we have that table or not, and table is here. So this is how automatically you can create table in Excel. So the next automation we are going to do, that is to add data in this table. For that we'll go in edit mode and we'll remove this step, because we are not going to create table again. We'll click on plus button and click on Excel Online. And before that, my friend, we'll add a data, because we need data to insert in an Excel sheet. So I will just click on plus and I will go to the data operations, so I can store some dummy data, and that is what I will insert in an Excel sheet. In your case, whatever file you have or what you are getting data from API or database, that is what you can connect over there. So I'll use parse JSON, and then I have a dummy data, that is what I will use here. So I will paste data here, and once I will paste the data, the next thing is, in a case of JSON, I just need to paste the schema, and that is what you will also get in case if you are calling API. And then I will save it. The next step is to insert a row in that table. So I will just go to Excel Online, and you can see here we have add a row into a table. So all those parameters we need to give here. So I will select the OneDrive, then I will select the folder, and then I will select the path in the same way we did multiple times. So I will go here, Power Automate, the Excel sheet, and then I will select the student, and then we will get the table. So we get the table 1, and then what we will do is that we will use all those parameters, like we have age, name and class. So I will click on show all. The good part, my friend, is here we have data here, and that is what we want to insert in an Excel sheet. So once you will click here, you will get dynamic parameters. You will just click here and you can see we have ID, that is what you can map here. Then we have the name, will map here. Then we have age, that is what you can map here. Then you have class or gender. So I just have different name, but you might got idea that what you have to do. So after mapping everything, you will just save it, and then you will just go and test it. So let me test. We'll go manual test, and we will run the flow, and running, done. And let's see, it will take few seconds, and after that you can see all those records in Excel sheet. So it's running, just wait for a few seconds, and boom, this is done. So let's go back here, and you can see we have data here. In this video, we learned how you can create a sheet, how you can create a table, and how you can insert data in that table without any line of code. Hope this will help you in Excel automation. If you like my content, my friend, please like and subscribe my channel so I can create this kind of videos again and again. See you in next video. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out till we meet again.